Imagine getting hacked because of a single HTTP header you didn't even know existed. That's right. Just when you thought middleware was your friend, Next.js pulls a fast one and says, oops, we forgot to secure that part. Meet x-middleware-subrequest, the header that was quietly doing its job, until someone figured out you could totally lie to it and skip security like you're walking past TSA with a fake badge and too much confidence. So here's the deal. In Next.js, especially when you're using middleware to do cool things like authentication, redirects, rewrites, and all the fancy stuff at the edge, the framework automatically adds a special header called x-middleware-subrequest. It's their way of keeping track of internal subrequests to avoid middleware running in loops or triggering itself. Seems smart, right? Except there was one tiny problem. The framework trusted that header way too much, and I mean way too much, because anyone on the internet could send a request with x-middleware-subrequest set to true or something like that in the headers, and Next.js wouldn't blink. It just accepted it like, cool, you must be middleware. No ID check, no validation. It's like letting anyone access your bank account just because they promised they were you just with a new hoodie. And yeah, this isn't just a theoretical oopsie. This got a CVSS score of 9.1, which in cybersecurity terms is basically,
it was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
CVSS stands for Common Vulnerability Scoring System. It's how we rate how bad a security flaw is. And anything above 9? That's critical. That's fix it now, or change careers territory. Now this might sound a little niche, but it's actually kind of terrifying. Let's say you wrote some middleware logic that checks if this header exists, and if it does, it skips auth or rate limiting because you assume it's an internal request. Well, guess what? An attacker just skipped your login or dodged your security filters because they faked the header. This wasn't just a minor oopsie. This was the kind of exploit that could let someone bypass access control and potentially mess with SSR caching and routing logic too. By the way, if you're into understanding systems this deep and not just copy-pasting your way through life, you should check out Code Crafters. It's like a gym for your brain, where you build real things like Docker, Git, or SQLite from scratch. No fluff, no hand-holding, just pure engineer grind. Links in the description if you want to sign up for free and get 40% off the premium plan, so go earn that 10x badge. So, what did Vercel do? They fixed it, of course. And here's the list of updated versions. Starting from now, externally provided x-middleware-subrequest headers are stripped out by default. If someone tries to fake it, Next.js gives them the side eye and deletes it.
Wait a second. Something's not right here. You were just making it look like you were playing. You're a phony! Hey, this guy's a great big phony!
Which is good. That's what should have happened in the first place. If you're running on any version below that, bro, you gotta upgrade, like right now.
Upgrades, people, upgrades!
This isn't a wait until the next sprint kind of fix. This is a stop what you're doing and patch your app situation. But let's say you can't upgrade yet. Legacy app, approvals, the usual nightmare. You can still protect yourself. Make sure your app doesn't trust that header if it comes from a client. Strip it manually before any logic touches it. Don't use it as a gatekeeper. You wouldn't let a stranger walk into your server room just because they said they work there, right? Same principle. So yeah, one more lesson from the wild world of web dev. Don't trust user input, even when it's in a fancy header with a lowercase x. Stick to what you know, master your stack, and double-check the stuff that looks boring, because that's usually where the chaos hides. And if this saved your app or saved you from a panic attack during deploy, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, and maybe buy this tired CodeHead a coffee. Links in the description. Debugging security bugs wasn't part of my evening plans, but here we are.